From a small workshop in Germany in 1886 to the streets of the future in 2050. This is the Mercedes-Benz journey, a timeline of prestige, luxury, and innovation, all in just 5 minutes. It all began with Carl Benz and the Benz Patent-Motorwagen, widely considered the world's first car. A three-wheeled machine that looked nothing like the sleek sedans we know today, but it sparked a revolution. This single invention gave birth to modern mobility and the legend of Mercedes-Benz. Fast forward to the early 1900s. The name Mercedes itself came from Mercedes Jelinek, the daughter of Emil Jelinek, a businessman and racing enthusiast who pushed Daimler to build faster, more advanced cars. The 1901 Mercedes 35 HP wasn't just a car, it was the first true automobile as we know it, powerful, elegant, and ahead of its time. By the 1920s and 1930s, Mercedes-Benz was defining what luxury meant. Cars like the Mercedes 540K stunned the world with elegance and performance. These weren't just machines, they were rolling works of art, built for royalty, celebrities, and pioneers of the modern era. After World War II, Mercedes-Benz rebuilt not just its factories, but its reputation. The 1950s brought icons like the 300 SL Gullwing, a car so beautiful, so futuristic, that it remains one of the most collectible automobiles ever made. Its signature upward opening doors became a symbol of innovation. The world began to see Mercedes not just as a car brand, but as the definition of prestige. The 1960s and 70s? Mercedes became the global benchmark for engineering. The S-Class was introduced, setting new standards for safety, technology, and luxury, a legacy that continues today. Every generation of the S-Class has been like a crystal ball, showing the world what the future of driving would look like. By the 1980s and 90s, Mercedes had cemented its reputation. Cars like the E-Class and C-Class brought luxury to everyday drivers, while the brand dominated racing with powerful engines. And when SUVs began taking over, Mercedes led the charge with the legendary G-Class, a boxy off-roader that became a cultural icon, loved by explorers and celebrities alike. The 2000s pushed things even further. Advanced safety systems, hybrids, and futuristic designs became part of Mercedes-Benz DNA. Then came the AMG Performance division, unleashing raw power under the hood, turning luxury sedans and SUVs into beasts on the road. And today, Mercedes is charging full speed into the future with the EQ lineup, fully electric luxury vehicles that combine silence, speed, and sustainability. Models like the EQE and EQS showcase how cutting-edge technology meets timeless elegance. But what about tomorrow? By 2050, Mercedes envisions cars that are not only autonomous but fully sustainable machines that think, adapt, and connect seamlessly with our lives. Imagine stepping into a vehicle that knows your preferences, drives itself with perfect precision, and leaves zero impact on the planet. This isn't science fiction. For Mercedes-Benz, it's the next chapter. From 1886 to 2050, from the world's very first car to the cars of the future. Mercedes-Benz has always stood for more than just transportation. It represents progress, prestige, and the promise of what's next. This is the story of Mercedes-Benz. A journey of over a century. And it's far from over.